guys, welcome in. I'm Lori Nail of Southern Nails Gracious Living, where we basically follow along my life on Keene Lane, most especially my DIY projects and styling and decorating that is non-stop. And recently I had polled my Instagram followers and said, what are some of your challenges for decorating? And number one was styling a bookcase or a shelf. So I put together a 6-step guide that will help you tackle this beast. Step one is to clear and clean. And yes, this thing has a little dust that we'll be working on. So grab your cleaning rag and let's get started.
Step two is to place your storage containers. The key is to use one type throughout the space so that you have uniformity. There's so many beautiful options out there. You can use baskets, you can use boxes, a wide range of price points as well. Step three, it's time to add the books. I would start at the top shelf and work my way down in a zigzag motion that will keep your eye moving and create a nice flow. Another trick is to have some of the books horizontal and some vertical. In the fourth step, you'll be adding your large focal pieces. That might be a sculpture, a large vase, maybe even a larger piece of art. Think about balance when you're placing those and kind of go opposite of the book stacks. And now we move on to the fifth step where we will be adding our smaller framed art pieces, even our family photos that are framed up. And last but not least, in step 6, we'll add in the smaller objects. This is where you can get personal too, things you've picked up on vacation, smaller photographs, and think about layering those on top of the horizontal book stacks.
All right, how'd you do? Did you follow along with me or did you just watch? Well, if you just watched, you're in luck because down in the comments, I have a link to my blog and I have posted this whole 6-step guide for you. So no excuse. Head on over to the blog, step by step, do it with me. And let me know how you do. And you guys, if you like what you're seeing here, please remember to give me a thumbs up or ring the bell and subscribe. Show me some love in some way so that I keep these things going for you. Thank you guys.